Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blauparts. Today we're going to be demonstrating how you can change the front differential gear oil on a 2021 Toyota Tundra. This is going to apply to all 2007 to 2021 XK50 platform Toyota Tundra front differentials. For this demonstration, we're going to be using one of our convenient pre-assembled Blau transfer case differential fluid change kits featuring Revenol gear oils. In this kit, we include the appropriate amount of gear oils in accordance with the Toyota recommended 75W85 GL5 gear oil specifications for all 2007 to 2021 Toyota Tundra front differentials. To learn more about the proper Toyota Tundra front differential gear oil specifications, fill capacities, change intervals, and our convenient pre-assembled Blau transfer case differential fluid change kits, we'll leave a link in the description below. So let's get started. Begin by confirming that the front differential is warm. This allows the fluid to drain more thoroughly while it's being drained. During the fluid change, the vehicle will need to be in a level position. Most Toyota Tundra front differential gear oil changes can be done on a flat, level surface without lifting the vehicle. In our case, we're going to be gaining access to the bottom side of the vehicle using an SAE-approved automotive lift. To confirm you are lifting the vehicle correctly, you can reference your factory owner's manual for the proper vehicle lift point locations and safety procedures. Next, locate the front differential fluid fill plug. This is located on the driver's side left of the differential, closest to the axle. The easiest access is through the driver's side left wheel well area. Loosen and remove the fill plug and sealing washer in a counterclockwise direction, using a 10mm hex bit socket and ratchet. Removing the fill plug before draining the differential fluid confirms you have a way to refill the differential in case the fill plug is seized and can't be removed. Next, locate the differential fluid drain plug. This is on the left bottom side of the differential. Loosen and remove the drain plug and sealing washer in a counterclockwise direction using a 10mm hex bit socket and ratchet. Allow the old gear oil to thoroughly drain into a suitable waste oil drain pan. While performing this process, confirm that the sealing washer is removed along with the drain plug. Next, using a rag, clean both the drain and fill plugs from excess contaminants and debris. Next, reinstall the differential fluid drain plug and sealing washer by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using a 10mm hex bit socket and torque wrench, tighten the drain plug. In our case, we're tightening it to a 29 foot-pound torque specification. Next, prepare to refill the front differential with fluid. Due to the location, the fluid fill port can be challenging to access when adding new fluid, whether the vehicle is on the ground or on a lift. To make this task easier, we have the front suspension unsprung, wheels off the ground, and turned full lock to the right passenger side. Next, attach some additional fill hose to the bottle cap spout tube. In some instances, it may be necessary to trim the tip of the bottle spout tube while installing the hose. Next, through the wheel well area, route and insert the hose into the differential fluid fill port. Lift the bottle and begin filling the differential with the recommended 75W85 GL5 gear oil. The correct fluid level has been achieved when a stream of fluid begins overflowing from the differential fluid fill port. This is between 1.9 and 2 liters depending on the exact year of your Toyota Tundra. For more information on the recommended Toyota Tundra front differential fluid change capacities, see the link below. With the front differential fluid level full, you can reinstall the fill plug and sealing washer by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using a 10mm hex bit socket and torque wrench, tighten the fill plug. In our case, we're tightening it to a 29 foot-pound torque specification. Next, using a rag, clean and remove any excess fluid from the differential fluid drain and fill plug areas. The differential should be completely cleaned from any fluid residue. This will help when later inspecting and confirming that the front differential does not have any leaks after performing your fluid change and test drive. So that's a quick overview on how to change the front differential gear oil on the 2007 to 2021 Toyota Tundra models. If you have any other questions or for more information on our convenient pre-assembled Blau transfer case differential fluid change kits, or any other high-performance engine oils, transmission fluids, gear oils, or transfer case fluids for your Toyota Tundra, you can visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.